Hey guys, Steve, the used car manager at Steve Honda. Kind of give you some tips and tricks about trading your vehicle. Things you want to remember is keep it clean. I'm not talking about a full detail. What you want to do is give it a wash, give it a bath. That way it's presentable when you bring it in. You'll get a higher value for it. Another important thing is make sure all the accessories come with the car. So spare keys, anything that came with the car, you want to put back in the car. Don't leave it in your garage just collecting dust. Those are the kind of things that will, again, bring the value of the car higher. We want to give you as much value as we can for that vehicle. Do a little research, check Kelly's Blue Book, know the value of the car. That way, when we discuss and go over everything, we're on the same page and everything makes sense in terms of what the offer is on our end. They should match up. Fourth thing you want to do is be honest with yourself about your car. Go over it, look at any damage or scratches, and know that sentimental value really doesn't have any additional value to the car, but we will try to give you as much as we can for it. The fifth and one of the most important things when you bring your trade-in is bring what you're capable of. If you have the title, bring the title. If not, bring the lien holder information. Or things you want to bring is like your insurance card, registration card. That way we can do all the paperwork for you at the DMV.